Good morning, dear students. In our last lecture, we talk about climate, what the factors affect the climate, and uh, climate controls. Here we talk about Indian monsoon. So let's start. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds. To see this picture, these are the regions in our earth. At first, we talk about equator on 0 degree and tropical region 20 degree. This is our tropical region, and next one is subtropical region. It's 60. It's on 60 degree and 75 degree. It's a temperate region, and here we talk about polar region. This region also called freeze region. Okay, these are the regions on our earth. Next one is where our India lies on earth. So this line where is equator, and here our South Indian part. This part is South India. This part known as South India. So South India is very near to the equator. So and this region tropical and upper region subtropical. So India affects two regions, tropical and subtropical. Here we talk about the Indian monsoon. So towards this, we know that we talk about our last lecture. Uh, Winds move higher pressure belt to lower pressure belt. At first, here to see this is our Himalaya. This is Himalayan region, high pressure belt. Here creates high pressure belt, so the winds moves to winds moves to low pressure belt because it's a phenomena. The winds moves always high pressure belt to lower pressure belt. Here this is southern oceans. The winds move to high pressure area to lower pressure area. So the this line varies to equator. Okay, India varies northern part of earth. Northern part of the earth. India varies northern part of the earth. Here, India varies here. So, in summer, what will happen? What is happening in summer? So, summer when the Central Asia winds pressure decreases, Central Asian wind. This is remember to all of you how what in happening in summer. So summer the Central Asia winds pressure decrease. Now the process is reversal. Okay, the process is reversal of the wind system. Now let's we talk about what is happening in summer. So this is our Himalaya, and this line varies to equator, and here southern ocean. Now here we create low pressure belt, and here creates high pressure belt. So the winds moves to high pressure belt to lower pressure belt. So and they collect with so much moisture with so so our Arabian Sea, our India. So wind collects so much moisture here. In the northeast, the Bay of Bengal is responsible for rainfall. First week of June, Western Ghat receives maximum rainfall because of Arabian Sea. And our northeast part, this part receives so much rainfall because of Bay of Bengal. When the winds moves to forward and then strikes with eastern northeast Himalayas, and then move forward, and they change their direction, and after that the Punjab, Delhi receives rainfall because of this striking winds with Himalaya. So here we talk about monsoon season. Monsoon season June to mid September. Initially June it's strike Tamil Nadu. At first, when the monsoon came to Tamil Nadu, after that, other regions. Maximum rainfall received area is Mosin Ram, Meghalaya. The reasons behind on it, why it received so much rainfall, because it's very near of Bay of Bengal, and another one, northeast part of India receives so much rainfall, then when the winds moves further, so they strike with Himalaya. They change their direction. Initially of July, monsoon came to Delhi, and in the end of the July, it reached Himachal. This is the all process how monsoon came to India. Okay, next, withdrawal. The one set of the monsoon, and withdrawal. The withdrawal or retreat of the monsoon is a more gradual process. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in north western state of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdrawal completely from the southern half of the peninsula. Then fairly rapid. By early December, the monsoon has withdrawal from the rest of the country. The withdrawal of the monsoon, lastly, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These states receives rainfall due to it. And this process is known as retrieval monsoon, because at the end of the September, Tamil Nadu receives Tamil Nadu receives rainfall because of monsoon retrieval. This is all the process how monsoon came into India, and how it is withdrawal in India. So today I'm closed our topic. Tomorrow we will discuss our next topic. Thank you.